A scuffle of words then took place between the police and the irate mob, at which, during this point of time, the public hearing began. However, despite the event being continued amidst the chaos, a precipitate purge closed in by the members who forcibly entered into the arena and caused damages on the surroundings. Upon their forced entry, the Deputy Commissioner spoke to the mob and requested them to consider staying calm and composed, as this is merely a public hearing. In addition, as per protocols, registration is required if one desired to hold speeches one after the other.
Jingsia ke public hearing ke day tanggawai ke proses keba pimpersian ne pimpersian ke proses ke bakin yo ada mio song haka public hearing ke forum ke day jingsia ban register ban naik ke tank ban keren iwe kumbadi ban le kepada kata pilih nyong kundi ngasutho mo kata proses kamlongkam proses kamlongkam yang ngala buah nerum day bangai tersia ni no ada officers on duty but implement yang provision yang Environmental Protection Act takung ke EIA UDC dan Sharman juga public hearing dia mentah ketika public hearing ke dia nampak affected persons kumpang apa high court order affected person tu kita nang ni kita belum affected kita nang ni fair kata public hearing fair dia mentah nampak situation ila persyang ila le paiba ola penpau ola pentut ya kena ke jumplong public hearing kasau ba le singim la syo ban pekan